1. Ken-Betwa project will not affect wildlife, says Ministry. GS Paper 3, Conservation, River Interlinking. About Ken-Betwa River Linking Project. The main feature of the project is a 230-kilometer-long canal connecting the Ken and Betwa rivers, which will irrigate 3.5 lakh hectares of drought-prone Bundelkhand. The Ken-Betwa River Interlinking Project envisages a dam on the Ken River near Dodon village in Chatterpur district of Madhya Pradesh. Interlinking will help irrigate about 600,000 hectares of land and provide drinking water to 1.34 million people in both Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh, according to Ministry of Water Resources. Why is it in news recently? A 5-member expert committee constituted by the National Board of Wildlife had visited the project site in April and submitted a report on the impact of the project on wildlife in the region. What does the report say? The report expressed its concern over repercussions for tigers and vultures. It said that tiger habitat in the Panna Tiger Reserve, 4,000-hectare region of which is getting affected by the project, would shrink, making it unhealthy for the tigers. The report also mentions the threat to the vulture population. What is the argument of Water Resources Ministry regarding threat to tiger habitat? The Water Resources Ministry said the Ken-Betwa River Interlinking Project will be executed in such a manner that it will strengthen the habitats of tigers and vultures, the two species singled out by a team of wildlife experts as being threatened by the project. The project area was not encroaching on the existing tiger habitat. On the threat to vultures, the official said, very few were likely to be affected by the project. The MP government has already agreed to compensate twice the area that will be lost in the reserve, but reducing dam height will make the project unviable. If implemented, what will be the ecological impact of the project? According to the detailed project report, one of the barrages will be constructed inside the sanctuary. The entire project is located within the Panna Tiger Reserve, directly submerging 89 square kilometers, and over 58 square kilometers is in the core critical tiger habitat, which is deemed to be inviolate as per law. The impact area will be far greater with construction, staff colonies, powerhouses, blasting etc., which will disturb and impact over 200 square kilometers of the tiger reserve, and all the wildlife within it. This includes over a dozen tigers, including breeding tigresses, nearly half of Panna's population. 50% loss to the existing unique habitat of highly endangered vulture species. Another 105.23 square kilometers of CTH will be lost due to land fragmentation and loss of connectivity. It will also displace 10 villages. Ken River. The Ken River is one of the major rivers of the Bundelkhand region of central India, and flows through two states, Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. It is a tributary of the Yamuna. Betwa River. The Betwa or Bitravati is a river in northern India, and a tributary of the Yamuna. The Betwa rises in the Vindhya range just north of Hoshangabad in Madhya Pradesh and flows northeast through Madhya Pradesh.